Welcome to Shams's Kitchen. Hope everyone is doing well. We're going to cook today beef korma. It's a quick recipe from me. Let's go and see what we need for this. We have 1.5 sliced onion, medium size, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 green chili, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, half kilo of diced beef. Then we have in the spices half teaspoon of black pepper, quarter teaspoon of white pepper, and then in the garam masalas we have cinnamon stick, cloves, cardamom, and then we have tiny piece of nutmeg and mace, and here we have half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of coriender powder, and then half a teaspoon of garam masala, which is actually again the mixture of powder form of cardamom, cloves, and cinnamon stick. And then we have 2 bay leaves here. Then I have taken 1 teaspoon of sugar, and as my salt is very strong, so I have taken half a teaspoon of the salt. That's all we have for the time being. We're gonna cook in 2 tablespoons of ghee and a little bit of vegetable oil as well. I'll mix it up with all these spices and the yogurt, this meat to marinate for half an hour, and then we're gonna go into cooking. Marination is done. We're just waiting for 20 minutes. So we started the cooking. Just put the garam masalas in, and now the oil is ready for the onion. I'm gonna add the onions now. I will fry this onion until it gets golden brown. It's on medium flame. Then we'll add the meat, the marinated meat. The onion is ready. Now I'm going to add the marinated beef. Now in low flame, I'm going to cook it in slow flame until the meat gets cooked. And it's still cooking. At this stage, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of powdered milk. I actually mixed it up with some water. So here we go. I have added the ghee and adding a little bit of sultanas, just a few, 5. Last thing to add is 2 green chili, fresh green chili. I've just cut a little bit so that the flavor comes out of the chili. And now just for a few minutes, 5 minutes, I'm going to keep it in the medium flame, and then we'll take it out. There you go, delicious beef korma is ready. Very easy and very quick beef recipe, I would say. This beef korma it's a must try. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.